Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, the Viajeros. Today we are going to open this Christmas Advent from Dolce Gusto Nescafe. This is their 2020 Christmas Advent. We bought it from the Cafe Capsule.nl online. So this is the back. The Nescafe Dolce Gusto coffee is not just black. And this is the photo of the Dolce Gusto machine. Okay. Alright, so let's open it. So let's have a look first. Yeah, let's take a look at it. So there are numbers here. So let's open it one by one. From 1 to 25. Oh, it's only 24.
Oops.
So let's go. So excited to open it. First, let's open number 1, of course. Number 1. So the number 1 is here. Look at the bottom. You can see there. Let's see kung ano ang number 1.
Wow!
Oh, it's a Dolce Gusto cold brew. So number 1 is cold brew. Number 2 is here. Ayan. Let's open it. And oops! What is this one? Oh, Zoca's Malperks Blonde. I don't know this. Haven't tried this one yet too. Also, I haven't tried the cold brew yet. So good thing there are 2 already that we haven't tried yet. So at least we can try a lot of flavors. Alright, so number 3 is here. Let's go and open it. Wow, it's blue. Now Nescafe Dolce Gusto Ardenza. So this is the Ardenza. Yeah. So might be the first three were strong coffee, strong ones. Not sure, but yeah. If you know, you can comment down below. And then number 4, what's number 4? Here. It's number 4. Let's check it. Okay. Oops. Nice. It's orange. It's Nescafe Dolce Gusto Colombia. There. Number 4, then let's go with number 5 here. So they are not in order. Some advents are in order, but yeah, it's good that they are not in order, right? So here, the Nescafe Dolce Grande. I have tried the Grande of Starbucks. Well, it's a bit close to the Starbucks, the real Starbucks in the cafes. I would rate it 7 out of 10. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to number 6. So here's number 6. Let's open the number 6. Oh, Lungo Intenso. So this is the Lungo. I think we have already tried this, but I don't don't really like the taste of Lungo. Yeah. 6 and 7 here. 7. Ooh, it's creamy, right? So it's Dalme Crema de Oro. Nice. Number 7. So I think all of them are just single capsules, like they don't have a creamer. So yeah. So let's go to number 8. Here is number 8. Let's get number 8. Wow! And we got 2 grande, but this one is Veranda Blend. There, it's Starbucks Grande. So we got 2 grandes there. 8, then 9. Let's go to 9. Number 9. Ta-da! So it's Espresso Intenso. We haven't tried this one yet too, because we're not really the espresso type of people. But we like grande. So 9 and 10. And it's here. Yes, it's red and it's Americano. Dolce Gusto Americano. I think this one is nice then. Yeah. Americano number 10. And then number 11. Where's the number 11? 11, where are you? Here. It's just in front of me. Okay. Whoops. Alright. Barista. Sydney Gray. Barista. So it's so colorful here. Then 11 and 12. Where's the 12? Here. Yeah, 12 here. Oh, Mexico. Dolce Gusto Mexico. I didn't know that there are like places or countries. We got already Colombia and Mexico. Mexico and Colombia. Then 12. Where's the 13? Here. Here, we're now on number 13. It's Lomo. Orange. Lomo. So we got 2 Lumos. The Lomo Intenso and the Lomo Lungo only. Lungo or Longo or Longo. Yeah. So number 14. So number 14 is here. Down here. Yes. It's also a Starbucks Espresso. And it's Espresso Roast from Starbucks. So we are now in number 15. So number 15. Okay, it's down here. Oh, it's Grande Intenso Morning Blend from the Dolce Gusto XL. There. So XL Intenso Morning Blend. Let's go to number 16. There. Wow, it's also Starbucks and it's Colombia Espresso. Wow. Well, actually, I really don't know much about coffee, but I like drinking coffee at home. I don't usually buy coffee in the cafes, not if you have a friend to go with or to talk to there in the cafe. So then it's nice to have a catch up in the cafes, right? So that's what we also miss during these days, because cafes are closed and most restaurants here. But yeah, so let's be hopeful that soon next year cafes will be back again, especially the Horeca, since they are really affected of this pandemic. So hopefully next year they'll be back. Alright, so let's continue to number 17. So number 17 is here. There! Zoigas. Scaneros. There. So good. 17. Then 18 is here. Down here. Okay, so this is the normal, the grande that we usually drink, the Starbucks grande. It's also nice, yeah. Then 18, then 19. So I have a lot of grandes to try with. Okay, so this is Peru. There. So these are the countries with rich coffee. So we have Peru, Mexico, and Colombia already. Then 20, we have here 20. Grande. So it's the same grande. So we have 2 grandes from Dolce Gusto. Maybe some will be duplicates. Yeah, I hope not the rest will be duplicates. So let's hope it will be a different flavor so that we can try a lot. Yeah, so it's Dalmar again. Prodomo. There. Dalmar. Dalmar. You don't know how to pronounce, sorry. Dalmar. Good thing that we have Dalmar. The Oro, Crema de Oro, and Prodomo. So we could try that one. Then, what's next? It's 22. There, up here. 22. Oops, sorry. Okay, we got Grande Intenso. Ooh, Grande Intenso. But I think we already have. No, it's Longo Intenso. So there, we have a lot of Grande variety. 22, 23. Okay, it's a Starbucks and it's a Blonde Espresso Roast. It's a espresso. There. Espresso. And then 24, the last one. So, on Christmas, we're not going to make coffee. So they suggest that you make hot chocolate because it's much nicer. It's Americano. So the last 24 is Americano. So we actually got 2 Americanos here. Alright. And the expiry date is located here. It's May 31, 2021, and it's 168 grams. Okay, so I am going to try this, the espresso. Starbucks Blonde Espresso Roast. There. Okay, so let's turn on the machine. Let's wait for a while. So this is only has 1 more selection because it's an espresso. Okay. There's also water already. So let's try it. So this is the one that I got from the Advent calendar, or Christmas Advent of the Dolce Gusto. So I think it's gonna, this cup is okay. So I got it from the IKEA here in Amsterdam. Okay. So let's just remove the here. Put this. Yeah. Cup. It's just an espresso shot. So, yeah. So, it's like this. Yeah. This is so small. This glass is just so small. It's meant for espresso shots. So you can either add some milk on your espresso or coffee and froth it if you like. So alright, so I think that's all for this video. Bye. Smells nice. So I think that's all for this video. I hope that you like this video, and please watch some of our videos. We have uploaded videos about the Dolce Gusto mini me, and if you want to watch more of our videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on subscribe and the notification bell for more videos. Okay, so see you in our next video again. Bye.